Let's see Evan feed the cows. Let's go, Evan.
No, over there because I don't want to fall on top of it.
Alright, so go a little bit closer to them and throw it
I
in.
want to go over here so that way when it...
Okay, throw it in. There he goes.
Whoa, look. You're going to get...
He's gonna get it.
Cat.
Aiden, you see the cows?